Dear friends, in this video, I am going to talk about the content fragment variations in AEM 6.4. So here is the agenda. In my previous video, I have explained about content fragment creation. In this video, I'll explain some advanced concepts. How to create a content fragment variation, how to author them, how to access them. Let us go to the demo now. Let me log into the AEM. So as we know, the previous session, I have created a content fragment. So let me go and edit it to create variations. So as you see, I'm in the master and I have variations 1 and variation 2, but I haven't added much difference in that. So master will remain as it is. In variation 1, I will explain. And in variation 2, I'll save this. Let me go to sites, read it. I'll go to United States English man. I'll edit the page. So I'll add a content fragment here. Go to configure and select the content fragment, which is sample fragment, which I just authored. I need to select it. So as you see here, I will select multiple elements. Variation is master. As you see, you can see the content fragment is appearing here in this page. So this does not have any variations mentioned. So let me go and edit it. I'll click, configure it. This time I'll tell the variation 1 is to be displayed. Now you can see the section shows this is variation 1. In the preview mode, let me come back to edit. Again, configure. Select the variation 2. Go to preview. You can see this is the variation 2 without links. So let me author back the master variation. How do I access the JSON data from this page? Let me log into the CRX. Go to content, UTL, US, EN, none. So under the responsibility, we have a content fragment. I'll get this URL. Now you can see I have added the main. So the paragraph says this sample content fragment demo without any variation. Let me go back and reconfigure it for the variation 1. Now if you go and refresh the content fragment, you can see that this is variation 1. Same way variation 2. This is variation 2 without links. Hope this video helped you to understand the content fragment variations and authoring. Thanks for watching.